Hello everyone, welcome to DU Assamese YouTube channel.
We fly, we fight, we own the blue sky, the earth below, the yonder above. We guard our nation, day and night. Our presence is felt, but we are seldom seen. We strike with precision and power. We defend with valor. Swift and smart, undeterred and unfazed. Generations of courage and sacrifice define our flight. We achieve the impossible. Precision and finesse define our style. We are air warriors. Our people first. Mission always. Listen for the sound of our rotors, for the thunder of our engines, and watch as we soar and touch the sky with glory.
As we enter our 89th year, I would like to compliment all Air Warriors for a job well done in what has turned out to be an extremely challenging year. The IF is in the midst of a transformation, and we are changing the way we fight, train and maintain. Our intense focus on integration, both within the service and with our sister services, needs to continue. Modern weapon systems, sensors and technology being inducted needs to be operationalized rapidly. Given the budget constraints, we have to be innovative in our drive to enhance combat potential. Despite the effect of COVID, we need to maintain a high state of operational readiness at all times and be able to respond at short notice. On this occasion, I would like to extend my warm greetings to all Air Warriors, NCs, civilians and their families, and assure my countrymen of the Indian Air Force's unflinching resolve to safeguard our sovereignty at any cost. Jai Hind.
A momentous journey of 88 years. From an auxiliary flight to the fourth largest air force in the world. From flying biplanes to modern combat jets. From 7 Hawaii sepoys to a mighty strength of air warriors. The Indian Air Force is transforming at a rapid pace today and innovating with focused upgradations and application of cutting-edge technologies. Our path to rapid modernization is planned and steady. With time, we have acquired state-of-the-art platforms and systems, arming our air warriors with the best and the most lethal weaponry to fight and win. Towards strategic autonomy, we are focusing on indigenous design, development and manufacturing in consonance with the national drive of Make in India.